Why am I being sent for an independent medical exam, IME, is a question that we get a lot. Generally speaking, the insurance company that's providing you the PIP benefits is oftentimes looking for reasons to be able to send you to an IME. And here are the top 3 or 4 reasons. 1, there was very little visible damage done to the cars involved in the collision. Insurance companies take the position that if there's very little damage, you must not really have been injured, which is the reality is we know that people can be, relatively speaking, significantly injured with a minor collision, just like someone can be involved in a bad collision and not have any injury. Second reason, there was a gap in treatment. Unfortunately, sometimes patients wait 4, 5, 6 weeks thinking, hey, things are going to get better. I don't need to see a provider. And while that is certainly understandable, the longer the gap is in time from when the collision happened to when you first received treatment, they will send you to an IME saying, if you were really injured, you would have seen a provider right out of the gate. Third reason is there is a gap in treatment. In other words, you're treating with a provider maybe right out of the gate, and 6 months later, you have 4 weeks of no medical treatment, and then you start back up. They will take the position oftentimes, well, there must have been something else that happened, and that's why you need the treatment. Another reason that they will use is that, well, you just should have been healed by now. There's no reason why you continue to need medical treatment. These are the primary factors that PIP carriers use to cut you off from medical treatment. And don't try to, there's no logical sense as far as you are concerned as to why it's happening. This is sort of a protocol system that the insurance company uses to minimize having to pay money out, simply put. Thank you.